Hello everybody, welcome to today's CKA exam lab. In this lab, we're going to play with CRD, custom resource definitions. To do this, we need access to a cluster. I have a Minikube cluster running on my Mac here, and I can show you all that's run. Let me minimize this, make this small, a little bit smaller so you can see better. It's not letting me do that. Okay, anyway, so if I do k get all minus a, you see all the stuff that's running on the cluster. All right, so what are we going to do? We're going to explain what API resource is, and then we're going to explain what a CRD is, and then we're going to create one. First of all, if we do k get pods, or if we do k get deployments, or we do k is shortcut for kubectl, k get secrets. All of these things, pods, deployments, secrets, config map, they're all resources as defined by Kubernetes cluster. So if I do k get, k API dash resources, type, you will see there's like, let me see how many there are. WC minus L. There are 56 or 55 defined resources already. Pods, jobs, ingresses, whatever, roles, all those things, right? But what if you need a resource type that does not match with any of this, something that belongs to you, that's something that you need to define yourself? For example, when Argo projects create the resources, what they create is not defined by default Kubernetes, so they have to go and define themselves. So if I now do k get CRD, I get nothing because there's no custom resource definitions defined in this cluster. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to an example that Kubernetes IO already gives us. We're going to go there, and we're going to download or copy paste this particular YAML file because this will define a CRD for us. All right, so let's go over here, vi crd.yaml. I already have this saved here, so I'm going to use that. So now if I do k apply minus f crd.yaml, it's already created. Now, if I do k get crd now, I see that there is a custom resource definition created. Now, I should be able to describe that too. K describe crd, this is the name. And it gives you all the little details about the CRD. Now, one thing you will notice in the file, very bottom, short name, CT. So CT should be a short name for this particular CRD. So I should be able to do K describe or K get CRD CT K K get CRD CT. Okay, I'll have to find that out how to use that. Anyway, so that's the CRD that's made. Now let's look at each line, right? In the example here, they already give you the explanations, but I'm going to run through it real quick. So first, a name for this. First of all, the kinds. This is the equivalent to a pod or deployment. This is the kind custom resource definition. I wonder if I can do k get k describe. K describe CRD and CT. Oh, okay. I think it's the name. Oh, I have to get the name. Okay. K get CRD. Now I should be able to do K describe CRD. This is the name. It'd be like Nginx for pod. And there's the descriptions. All right. So going back to the. All right, so I'm going to stop here. I may have to do another video for describing all the fields here. Basically, it's a custom defined resource, just like pod, deployment, or a cron, or job, what have you. I will see you in the next lab.